I don't care if it's not Italian. It's one of my favorite dishes. And then I dipped it in both black and white sesame seeds. A real civil rights movement. All right? We're at 40 seconds. Do you think we got another 15 in us? It's like doing a plank. Can we make it? Can we make it, Ben? Does it get better? It doesn't. It doesn't. I'm telling you right now, it doesn't. Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking. And as you can see, the sun is shining, the flag is flying, and it's summertime. And we got the Blackstone out, and we got a catch of the day, Ahi Tuna. All right, Ben, we got our Blackstone here, nice and hot. So we're gonna do a little sesame oil, get that spread. Now we got beautiful ahi fillets, Ben, okay? And I got these from a place called Italy, and they have a program where they fly these ahi tunas in 24 hours right after they've been caught, and they cut them up, and they are absolutely delicious. So we got our fillets, and we're gonna put them right on there, a minute each side, because I like it more rare, and that's the way I believe you should do it. So here we go. I got no table because I was unprepared. What are we gonna do? We leave it on the ground. Let's set our clock for a minute. My dad is here filming, Ben is here filming. I'm just gonna go for a minute each side. If you want it done longer, you don't want ahi tuna, that's what I say. All I did was a little salt, pepper, and garlic powder on each side, a little sesame oil, and then I dipped it in both black and white sesame seeds. A real civil rights movement. All right, where are we at? We're at 40 seconds. Do you think we got another 15 in us? It's like doing a plank. Can we make it? Can we make it, Ben? Listen, even if you underdo this a little bit, it's sushi grade. It's gonna be spectacular. Look at the color on that, huh, Ben? Come on. Another minute, and we are going to be done. You know, I really love the Blackstone because you can bring it anywhere. You go to the beach, you go to a tailgate, you're sitting in your backyard, you're sitting on your front step. You wanna do things like this, and this is why you get the Blackstone Adventure Ready. They got the bigger one, but you can't move that as easy. I like this little guy. It's absolutely incredible. Is it ready, Ben? In my opinion, it is ready. When you buy an ahi tuna, you wanna make sure the color is nice and rich. You don't want any kind of film. There should be no smell. It shouldn't look iridescent. All right, that means it's probably been sitting there a little while. And talk to your fishmonger. See what the deal is, where they get it from, how long it's been sitting, how much they sell. You wanna know this stuff when you're buying good fish. All right, Ben, now that we got the ahi done, all I wanna do is warm my sauce. So I got it in a pot, and your Blackstone will get hot enough as long as you use a stainless steel pot. I'm using my Caraway pot. Is that a plug? It absolutely is. We need to pay the bills, you need to buy it. Click the link in the bio, go to the Caraway store, and buy yourself this pot. We'll get a couple bucks, you'll get a great pot. That's all I'm saying. Now, what do we have in this pot? Soy sauce, hoisin sauce, ginger, garlic, chili. We have honey, a little sesame oil. Does it get better? It doesn't. It doesn't. I'm telling you right now, it doesn't. So we're just gonna heat that up. You got a little whisk, give it a little whiskey poo. Now you don't want to boil this, you just want to get it warm because you want all of those ingredients to come together, incorporate. So once you got your sauce warmed, all you're gonna do is simply slice your ahi, and you're gonna plate it up with a little bit of rice, and then you're gonna drizzle your sauce all over the ahi and the rice, and you're going to have one hell of a meal. You know, I know we usually do Italian dishes on this show, but I gotta tell you, when we have an opportunity, the sun is shining, the weather is perfect, we break out the Blackstone and we get the catch of the day, the ahi tuna. I don't care if it's not Italian, it's one of my favorite dishes. If you want this recipe, as always, it's in the description below, and from our house to yours, bon appetit. Thanks for watching, and if you like this ahi tuna recipe, guess what? We got more. How about shrimp scampi? Click the corner here and you'll get the link to that. If you go over to the other corner, Ben put one here too, because we got over 150 recipes for you to see and enjoy with your friends and family.